You know a town's in trouble when the McDonald's is not busy. What's happening, people? We're out and about again, and today I am in a city. I think it's the first time I've been in a city. We're in Bradford, so it's not the best city. I'll be honest. I've had a little wander around already. I'm currently next to the Telegraph and Argos building and across from the Broadway car park. Yeah, this city is in decline, I'll be honest. I'm going to, I filmed a little bit of like how many shops are closed, and the only shops that are open are like pound shops, charity shops, gambling shops. So you got your bookies and your arcades. Not really what we need to see on the high street, but unfortunately the high street is dying because everyone shops online, don't they? It's a fact. Unfortunately, life's moving on, so we've got to have something else. Something else on the high street. With that being said, I tried to find a greasy spoon that I could have some breakfast at. Couldn't find it anywhere. Couldn't find one in Bradford at all. In the city centre, could not find a greasy spoon. Not a single one. So I had to get onto Google, and I typed in cafes in Bradford, and there wasn't many, I'll be honest, and obviously within this little city centre area. So I was a bit stumped, to be honest, and then I thought, in every town and every city in the UK anyway, if you're watching from abroad it might be different for you guys, but in the UK we always have markets, and one thing you can guarantee in a market, there's going to be a cafe in the market. So I googled Bradford Market, and there's a market called Kirkgate Market, something like that. And lo and behold, there were 3 in there. 3 cafes all in a row. There were only about 5 different other shops open. It were all closed. So I'm gonna go back there. Boy races in Bradford. We're gonna go back there and get some breakfast. Now the only issue is they're playing music. There was other people in there. There were a couple arguing and fighting. So if they're still there, it's gonna be a no-go for filming. But I've got a couple of cameras, so hopefully I'll be able to edit it, let you have a look at it, and I'll let you know what I think when we come back out. I'll probably come back here, to be fair. Okay, let's go. You know a town's in trouble when the McDonald's is not busy. So I've come to the Kirkgate Market, and I found 3 in a row, all next to each other. So I'm going to give one of these a go. There's only 2 open. It's 9 o'clock on a Wednesday morning. There's only 2 open at the moment, and they've both got music on, so I can't really film for the copyright issues. However, we will be going in, having a breakfast. I'll show you, and you can take a look at this. So we start the breakfast with the black pudding, really tasty, quite nice. Probably the favourite thing on this breakfast was these sausages. Obviously mass produced, they're not butcher quality sausages, but still they did the job. Nice little runny egg, just how I like it. Clean grill, you can tell. Beautiful mushrooms, really big fan of the mushrooms. Don't think they were tinned, and if they were fried nicely. And although I get hate for saying this, beans are beans. I'm yet to find anything. If the beans are cooked right, I feel like they all taste the same. Controversial. Let me know in the comments if you think that's not true. The bacon, not for me. Very tough. But I'm not a big fan of bacon anyway. I much prefer spam, which you got on this breakfast. I'll leave you to watch me scran the rest of this breakfast, and I'll see you outside. Okay, so that were pretty nice, that, to be fair. All that were £7.50. You got tomatoes, sausage, spam, which I absolutely love spam. Not a big fan of bacon, obviously, as you saw at the end there, I left a little bit. But that was due to the sheer volume of food on that plate. The toast was very underdone, it wasn't crispy enough for me. Spam were beautiful. Beans are beans, you know what I'm going to say there, beans are beans. I've got tomatoes, two big, they call them in the tins, peeled plum tomatoes, but they were massive. I prefer chopped tomatoes, but you can just chop them up, can't I? What else were on there? Like I said, the bacon, it wasn't too bad, bit tough. I'm not a fan of bacon anyway, out and about. At home it's not bad. What else we got? There were no fried bread. The black pudding were unbelievable. And there were no fried bread though, were there? No. Egg were nice, done, proper, clean. You can tell the grill's clean. And I don't mean clean as in they don't cook, like, you know, sometimes you get some bits and it's just come from the grill. It's not actually dirty, it's just when everything's cooking. It was pretty quiet in there, to be honest, at the for say it's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock I thought it'd have been quite busy. Yeah, but we're a 6 out of 10. Nothing special, but proper British greasy spoon. A lot of food for £7.50. It's a bargain, but quantity over quality. I think it probably is quantity over quality in that place. Home from home, maybe not. Still prefer my missus's full English at home. But sausages were nice. It's yeah, it's not a. It wasn't bad, to be fair. But Bradford, I won't be coming back here in a hurry. I'm not impressed with Bradford at all. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.